Hello, you're welcome back to another lesson today. God bless you. God bless you. And for quite some time, I haven't been able to upload content like I used to do, and it has been paining me because I know that you right there on the channel checking to see new content, new lessons, but it hasn't been forthcoming. I really apologize for that, and it's due to relocation. I relocated to a new place and I haven't been able to set up as I would love to. But nevertheless, we are here today. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and because you are going to be learning a whole lot of amazing stuff on the keyboard. So today we are going to be on the key of C major, and I'm going to be teaching you this praise intro idea. All right, if you play for house of worships and you want to play for praise sessions as a group, as a team, as musicians, you can incorporate this particular short intro to your praise session, and it's gonna take your praise session to a whole new level. So like I said, we're on the key of C major. So the praise intro sounds like this. I'll go again. So let's say we have a loop or a consistent beat for us to play this thing. So we have this. Yeah, so that is it. So I'm going to be breaking this down for you to understand what I just played if you don't know. So we are going to start with the melody section, and the melody is being played with the right hand on your right hand. So instead of making use of the music alphabet, I'm going to make use of the music syllables. So we have so do re mi, right? So do re mi, re do re do. That's the most important melody there. So while playing so do re mi, that's G C D E C E. Sorry again, G C D E D E D. So while playing this, you are going to play this, which is a B flat major chord. All right. Then we have. So you bring these notes down by half step. All right. Then we go again by another half step. Then we go by another half step again to F minor. Then to C major first inversion. Then we have this. Then and you end it on the dominant. That's the C dominant. All right. So while doing this, what are you to play on your left hand? I'm playing what is C at 9, B flat at 9, and over here we are doing what? We are doing more like F sus2, while I have A as my roots. then we go half step to F minor. That's your left hand going over to the A flats, and you take this note by half step downward to G. Then you repeat the whole process. Then the last note. Again, if you can't stretch to do at 9, just play the normal power chord, that's C, G, C. Then to chord 1, which is C major. Then you go right again. Okay, at this point, if you love to join my private piano class, it's an awesome class that you are going to learn a whole lot of things, and it's going to help you get better. Yeah, it's a paid class, and if it's something that you would love to really be part of, my link will be in the description box. You can go there and send me a message, and let's talk about how you can be part of this amazing class. So let's go again with our loop, or our beat rather. So you have this. So that's the way you can incorporate this. So this is the way you can incorporate this intro into your praise sessions. All right, so God bless you. Thank you for joining in this class. Thank you for coming back to check the lesson, the content of these lessons. Like I said, the growth of this channel is it's dependent on you, and you've been wholesome, you've been wholesome, and my sincere gratitude to you for always coming back to check contents on this lesson. Thank you, and God bless you. I'm gonna see you in another video, in another lesson. So for now, bye, and make sure you make use of this particular intro in your next praise sessions, and after, come back and tell me how was it. Did it sound well? Were you able to lock it in as a team, as a band? All right, so thank you. I'm gonna hear from you. I'll hear from you, and you hear from me also later. So bye.